Health Guide Nutrition and Diet. What is Udi Hindi? Udi Hindi is a type of tree that grows in Southeast Asia and Eastern India. It is also known as Kust-i Bahri and Agarwood. Udi Hindi is an evergreen tree that does not shed its leaves year-round and is not affected by changing weather conditions. Udi Hindi oil is obtained from the fruits of this tree. It is used in alternative medicine for various benefits in the regions where it grows. Its recognition has increased in our country with the coronavirus pandemic. In addition to medical use, Udi Hindi is also used in the cosmetics industry and as an ornamental plant. The bark of the Udi Hindi tree is preferred as incense due to its pleasant scent. Udi Hindi oil is also an important ingredient in the perfume industry. Contents, benefits of Udi Hindi oil. Benefits of Udi Hindi oil for the skin. How to use Udi Hindi oil. How is Udi Hindi oil made? What are the harms of Udi Hindi oil, and what should be considered? Frequently asked questions about Udi Hindi oil. Benefits of Udi Hindi oil. Cold, flu, and respiratory diseases. Udi Hindi oil helps to loosen and expel the mucus accumulated in the sinuses. Its expectorant effect facilitates the expulsion of phlegm accumulated in the throat before it descends into the lungs, preventing the progression of the illness. It eases breathing. It alleviates symptoms of respiratory diseases, such as asthma, COPD, and allergic rhinitis. It reduces sore throat and cough. It boosts immunity and protects against diseases. The powder of the Udi Hindi plant can be consumed mixed with honey, ginger, black pepper, and turmeric. Infections. Its antiseptic property acts as a natural antibiotic. It helps to eliminate inflammation in the body. It heals tonsillitis and cleanses bacteria in the mouth, eliminating bad breath. It treats fungal infections like athlete's foot, seen in athletes and those who work outside for long periods. It can be used for the treatment of general infections. Psychological disorders. It is used to alleviate mild to moderate depression, stress, anxiety complaints, and to improve the general mood. It has a calming and relaxing effect. Psychological disorders originate from different factors, so it should be used under the supervision and recommendation of a specialist. Digestive system disorders. It helps to relieve pains such as stomach spasms and gas pains. It has a soothing effect on the digestive system. Those with sensitive stomachs should use it with caution. Side effects such as nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea may occur. If any side effect is observed, use should be discontinued, and a health center should be consulted. Skin problems. Udi Hindi oil has a skin renewing effect. It can be used for the healing of wounds and burns. Regular use helps to remove skin spots. Complaints. For the treatment of pain complaints such as headaches and migraines. Inhaling a few drops added to a diffuser or incense burner can help alleviate the pain. It can be applied with a massage to the temples for such complaints. For joint and muscle pains, it can be applied directly or added to massage oils, creams, and ointments to the affected area. It is thought to have a cancer protective effect when ingested due to its antioxidant effect, but there is not enough research on this. It shows a general health improving effect. It solves sleep problems, accelerates falling asleep, positively affects reproductive health, relieves fatigue, and increases energy. Benefits of oud oil for the skin. Promotes the renewal of skin cells, giving the skin a brighter and more vibrant appearance. Alleviates symptoms of conditions such as psoriasis and eczema. removes dead skin, eliminating a dull complexion, accelerates the healing of wounds and burns, helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles that come with aging, soothes irritation and redness in the skin. How to use oud oil. For oral consumption, if consumed orally, 1 teaspoon of oud oil can be taken. It can be consumed alone or mixed with products like honey, molasses, or jam. A few drops of oud oil can also be added to a glass of water for drinking. It is more beneficial to consume the right amount, rather than believing that more consumption will be more effective. For topical application, oud oil can be added to masks, skincare creams, and cleansing gels. A few drops can be diluted with a carrier and applied to problem areas of the skin. For headaches or migraines, it can be massaged onto the forehead and temples to alleviate pain and provide relief. For hair care, mix a few drops of oud oil with carrier oils, such as coconut oil, jojoba, or olive oil. Apply to the ends and roots of the hair during a shower, massage, leave for 15-20 minutes, and then rinse. It promotes shinier and healthier hair growth, relieves itching and redness at the scalp, and soothes the scalp. For inhalation, when a few drops of oud oil are added to a diffuser, vaporizer, or steam bath, it helps clear the sinuses. It eases breathing, opens up a congested nose, reduces stress, and aids in falling asleep comfortably. How to make Udi Hindi oil. There are complex and various methods for preparing Udi Hindi oil. An easy and practical method that can be applied at home is as follows. Take 1 teacup of olive oil and 2 teaspoons of Udi Hindi powder in a bowl. Pay attention to these ratios and prepare as much as you will consume. The prepared mixture should be left to rest for about 10 to 15 days. Afterward, it can be used. There are opinions that preparing it under sunlight makes it more effective. What are the harms of Udi Hindi oil and what should be considered? People with sensitive and allergic skin may experience irritation, redness, and itching when applied to the skin. Before using, a patch test should be done by applying a small amount on the inside of the arm, and then, if no adverse effects are observed, it can be used. If any side effects are seen, use should be discontinued. If symptoms do not pass or continue to increase, a doctor should be consulted. It should be used cautiously on the sensitive skin of children and babies. When consumed, Udi Hindi oil can interact with medications. People with chronic illnesses and those taking medication should consult their doctor before use. It should not be used by those who have complaints of constipation. It should not be used by pregnant and nursing mothers. If necessary, a specialist should be consulted. In people with sensitive stomachs, consumption can lead to nausea, vomiting, reflux, and diarrhea. If such side effects occur, its use should not be continued. If side effects do not decrease or continue to increase, a doctor or pharmacist should be consulted. Udi Hindi oil is not suitable for continuous use. It should be discontinued once the complaints improve. It is not recommended to use it for periods longer than 15 days. Frequently asked questions about Udi Hindi oil. Can Udi Hindi oil be applied to the skin? Udi Hindi oil can be diluted in a carrier oil or added to ready-made care products such as masks, creams, and washing gels for application on the skin. A patch test should be conducted on the inside of the arm before use to check for any allergic reactions. Can Udi Hindi oil be consumed? Udi Hindi oil has not shown toxic effects in studies. It can be consumed at a dosage of 1 teaspoon per day. If any side effects are observed, its use should be discontinued and a physician should be consulted. Can Udi Hindi oil be used for cough? Udi Hindi oil relieves cough and helps to expel phlegm. It also alleviates cough caused by postnasal drip in allergic rhinitis.